Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE has much more than 3 features I need to mention. It has everything you need and it's very sleek and elegant.
The first thing I noticed on this one is how I really like the texture of the back. I noticed that it's super lightweight and very slim. Being only 6.8 millimeters, it's probably one of the thinnest phones I've ever used.
You're gonna notice how incredibly thin it is. Also, make sure to pay attention how beautiful it looks when the pink peach color is playing with the light.
The moment that I took this out of the box, I can say that it's really slim and it's really light.
Look at that design, absolutely phenomenal. A stunning looking device. I really do dig this color. It really looks fantastic. I'm not even lying, it feels really good too with the matte white finish.
I can truly say that it is comfortable when in use, and that is one of the factors why I like this phone.
I also like that for such a budget phone, it does have a nice 6.55-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. So the display was quite impressive for this price range.
Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE can give us the satisfaction that we seek when it comes to display.
Second thing that I like about this phone is definitely the display. It has a 6.55-inch of AMOLED display, 90Hz of screen refresh rate, 240Hz of touch sampling rate, good for gaming, and of course, it also is Dolby Vision supported HDR10+.
A 64 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, 5 megapixels telemacro camera, and a 20 megapixels front camera.
Now, some samples from the main image sensor, which has very wide aperture at f/1.79, is expected. Great for daylight and very good for low-light photography. You can have the confidence that most of your photos are going to look great and get a lot of light in OSM processing.
Elegant.
Super lightweight.
Incredibly thin.
It really looks fantastic.